2025 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.